Hey guys, it's Erica, and today we're going to be talking about 10 different plants that would do very well in a bathroom setting. So I know you've seen those Instagram pictures where there are some beautiful trailing plants, there's a plant in the shower, and it just has that jungle vibe that I feel like we all strive for. So here are some plants that can help you achieve that. Maybe not achieve, but get a little closer to that goal. Some disclaimers that I want to say on this video is that depending on your bathroom situation, for example, some bathrooms may not have a window at all or a smaller window. So depending on the amount of natural light you get, you need to put that into consideration when deciding on what plants to keep in there. You could also possibly have grow lights, not grow lights, but maybe fluorescent lights with the frequency that plants need to grow, and that could be helpful. Just generally, if your bathroom is kept warm or if you let it get cold when you're not using it, those are all things that you need to take into account when deciding on which plants you would keep in there. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get into it. In no particular order, I'm just gonna give you the first plant. First plant that would be great for a bathroom setting is a Dieffenbachia. So Dieffenbachia are tropical plants and they do like lower light settings, so they're perfect candidates for a bathroom plant. They do enjoy the humidity and they are super gorgeous with this foliage. It would brighten up any bathroom. The next type of plant that is good for a bathroom are ferns. So this can be any kind of fern. Right here I have an asparagus fern. You could even put in a heart-shaped heartleaf fern or a Boston fern in there, and they will do very well because ferns do love humidity and they can handle lower light settings. They like a little bit of dappled light, so these would be perfect for a bathroom. They would really appreciate the humidity. So the next plant is probably one that you have expected to be in this video, or were expecting, and it is a classic pothos. So pothos are perfect for a lot of settings because they're very durable plants. They will appreciate the humidity, they can handle lower light settings, and they have that jungle vining vibe that I feel like we're all trying to achieve. But if not, it is still a beautiful, gorgeous plant to have in your bathroom. Just imagine this like trailing on the curtain rack. Wow. And the next plant that would be great for bathrooms is also on this list because of its durability, and that is a snake plant. Right here, this is a moonshine snake plant. With the humidity, they would probably even need to be watered less than usual. They don't need to be watered very often. They also can handle very low light situations. If you need a low light plant, a snake plant is perfect. And they also don't take up a lot of space. They're very structured plants. So if that maybe fits the vibe of your bathroom more, this is a great plant to go. There's also so many different varieties that are so beautiful. Like I have a moonshine here. Back here I have a different one. There's also the one with the yellow edges. There's just so many options, and I think they would look really great in a bathroom. The next plant I have to talk about is a peace lily. Peace lily are also great plants in the same way as a pothos and a snake plant. They can handle pretty low light conditions, and also peace lilies are one of the more wet type of plants, so they're really good for that. One thing to know about the peace lily though is that it is very toxic for pets. They have these spathe and spadex, and sometimes, I'm not sure if it's pollen, but white powder that's very toxic for pets falls off when it's almost done with the flower. So you do want to be aware of that. None of these plants so far that I've talked about are non-toxic to pets, so just a quick note about that. But nonetheless, they are good for growing in a bathroom setting. Next one is a Philodendron, and this one is just a little lemon lime philodendron. It is so tiny and it's perfect for just sitting on a windowsill in your bathroom. They can handle low light conditions, very similar to a Pothos. They definitely will appreciate the humidity, and they're fast growers if you do give them enough light. Okay, next plant I have here is a spider plant. Now, the thing about the spider plant is that it does need brighter light than the rest of the plants that I have mentioned. So if you do not have that bright of light in your bathroom, this one probably could be a pass for you. If you want to try it out, you can. This plant can bounce back from hardships it has faced pretty quickly. So you can try it out if you think you don't have enough light, and no harm, no foul, because this plant will be fine once you take it out to the light and it has some time to recover. The next plant that I have here is also one that does prefer a higher light situation, and it is an aloe vera plant. This one you can try it out having it in a bathroom also. Aloe veras do not need to be watered often at all, and with all that humidity in a bathroom, they probably wouldn't need watering like ever. So aloe veras would be a very low maintenance plant to have in your bathroom with all the humidity around. The only downside is that they do need a lot of light, and sometimes in a bathroom that is not very accessible. The next plant on this list is a polka dot plant, and I feel like this isn't a conventional plant to have in a bathroom plant list, but I have this plant growing in my bathroom and it is doing amazing. This plant does need brighter sunlight, so I would recommend keeping it in a brighter light situation, but it grows extremely fast while in a bathroom. So this plant is a perfect one to have in there if you want to have a little pop of color, because this plant is pink. I think it's a perfect plant. It's very cute. And if it gets too big for you, you can always chop it down like I did to mine. So size of the plant should not be a problem if you want just a smaller plant in your bathroom. It's also it's a dramatic plant, so it will droop a lot when it needs to be watered, but once you water it, it'll just pop right back up, so it's nothing to be too worried about. Okay, last plant on this list is a Maranta. So Marantas are known for, well, in my opinion, Marantas are known for needing a lot of humidity. Before I had a humidifier, I would keep this plant, and I had a Maranta, Calathea, and a fern in my bathroom, and they did just fine in there. As you can see, there are no brown leaves except for this one, which died a long time ago, but I haven't cut it off yet. So they have done very well in the bathroom. I prefer to give these plants more lights, but they do very well under grow lights, as I have mine growing under grow lights right now. So if you have those fluorescent lights, the plant will do very well under that. They also do kind of need to be watered more often. They are more of a wet plant like the peace lily. So having it in a bathroom in a humid environment will be very helpful to it, so that it will keep its leaves from drying out and it will do great. So if you have a Maranta or a Calathea, I'm not too familiar with Calatheas, but I know for the Marantas it is very beneficial for them to live in a bathroom. So maybe if you don't have a humidifier, maybe that would be a way for you to keep your plant's leaves from getting crispy and brown. Okay, you guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was informative. Let me know if you keep any plants in your bathroom and if there were any plants that I missed. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks so much for watching. Bye! Hey guys, so I just wanted to remind you that I do have a giveaway going on right now for a free little string of hearts. So if you didn't get the chance to enter, you can do so before the giveaway ends tomorrow. You just need to go onto that video and write any comment, and you're entered. So it's pretty easy to do. You just gotta leave a comment, and the winners are being announced tomorrow, and the prizes are going to be sent like a week later, so go enter that if you haven't already. Okay, bye.